I saw this article just this morning, but it was written on May 24. Pretty sad, but this is kind of what I was talking about before. So Russia was invading, so Ukrainian converted his life savings of 10,500 into crypto token Terra. Then the token crashed. And I'm sure we all heard about what this stable coin Terra did. So Russia was invading Popovich's home country, Ukraine. The resident of Ukraine capital wanted to protect his life savings of about 10,500 from a currency collapse or other risks related to the war, he told The Guardian in an account published on Sunday. The cryptocurrency seemed on a stratospheric ride, so why not convert his life savings into these digital tokens to store their value? Popovich's answer was a form of cryptocurrency known as stablecoin. Theoretically, stablecoin are backed by fiat currency and hard assets, including government bonds or gold. This is supposed to prevent the tokens from becoming too volatile. It was impossible and unsafe to store funds in the form of banknotes, which made stablecoins an attractive alternative. He chose stablecoin called Terra. But Terra isn't a typical stablecoin tied directly to hard asset. Instead, it is an algorithmic stablecoin, meaning it uses algorithms to peg itself to a fiat currency or asset. Anyway, you can read more of the article on your own. But this is very typical of the view in the crypto community, which is there's inflation, whatever currency you have is going to be unstable or is unstable. So let's store the value of the currency before it crashes into crypto. So in other words, let's take something that still has perceived value, because we all know fiat currencies don't have any intrinsic value themselves, but they do have perceived value, and you can take the currency and exchange it for goods and services because the system has been around for years, right? I don't know how many years. And, crypto is not really a currency. So they take something that has perceived value into something that is completely worthless, but it does have short-term perceived value, and then that perceived value evaporated. So he was worried about losing his life savings, so he bought something worthless. And that's what happens in the majority of the crypto market. I mean, if he put it in Bitcoin, he wouldn't have lost as much because Bitcoin has more fan base and more perceived value, right? It doesn't really have anything intrinsic behind it, but yeah, people assign it certain value. But yeah, it's a sad story because the world convinced everybody that crypto are a good store of value, and you read enough articles, you watch enough YouTube videos, at some point you might actually believe that.